Okay, fine. So in this video, we'll be talking about some of the amazing strategies that you can implement if you're working on search engine optimization. So make sure that when you're watching video, make sure you take pointers and try to execute it, because it's very important to take action, because when you take action, you learn, right? So what I want is, I just don't want you to see my lectures. I want you to take action. So let me quickly tell you, some very amazing things that you can do with the help of Semrush. So what I'm going to do is I'll put, let's say, backlink analytics. You can see site audit, and what I'll do is I'll put brandveda.in. You can see that this is the site audit. You can always create a project. So let's say if you want to do any audit, make sure you create a project. So let's say if you want to do an audit, put a domain name and do it. So you can see that this is already been done. So I can click on brandveda.in, and my goal is to do a quick audit using Semrush. A lot of things can be done, and you can see that we are getting some results. You can see the crawlability, HTTP, site performance, markup, internal link. So make sure that just enroll for Semrush 14-day trial. You'll find trial online, and then what you do is put your domain name, and then I'll tell you some amazing strategies what you can do with the help of Semrush. We can create a lot of valuable strategies, and we can put it into action plan. I'm very sure if you take actions, you will start seeing a lot of positive changes in your website as well. So make sure go to Semrush and start taking action. Thank you so much.